Welcome back. Thank you for staying with us. Since the beginning of this week, Eswatini TV has held workshops with retailers under the Ipiyako campaign. They have traveled all over the country, bahlanganisa bosomabhizinisi ukubachazela kabanti ngawo lo mkhankaso lona Ipiyako campaign. We are joined by the Senior Communications Officer at Eswatini TV, Nomcebo Malinga, kuva ukuthi ngabe bosomabhizinisi bathini kahle kahle. What is the level of compliance from bona bosomabhizinisi? Nomcebo, very good morning and welcome to KBS. It's been a while.
It's been a while, and thank you so much for affording me this opportunity to just come and just spend some time with you this morning.
Yeah. So I've been seeing you on the news since Monday. The whole team, CEO, communications office. So it's in response from retailers, of course. This campaign was launched a while ago, last month. But in business.
Bosomabhizinisi ngicela nje ngeqala kwendlulisa kubonga lokukhulu kubo bonke bosomabhizinisi ama-retailers ethu lesibenzisana nabo sing-Eswatini TV. Lo mkhankaso lesimsukumisile ukuthi-ke siphusha naye i-No TV import, No TV permit, No import, Ipiyako campaign. Isibonisile ukuthi kumgcwako sesiphume sing-Eswatini TV. Sihambe siyohlala phansi nawo ema-retailers across the country. So sifikile kaManzini, sicale khona eMbabane. Saya kaManzini, safika naseSpiki, safika eSteki, safika eNhlangano, namhla phinda siyabuyela kaManzini, siyachubeka nalapho siyabakhulumisa. Ema-retailers avelile lapho khona besibacele khona. Sibonga nje kakhulu participation. But what is very key that we need to understand is that we are starting this initiative. Eswatini TV sibambisene na ERS. But kumcoka kuthi lama industry players lafaka ekhathi ema-retailers lawa lathengisa lama TVs nema decoders kuthi nawo sive imivo yabo because they are on the ground and ngibo futhi lapha thengisa lama TV and kube ngibo futhi laba interactor nalama customer la ngenako atothenga wona lama gadgets lawo. So for us to roll out this initiative, it's imperative ukuthi we make sure ukuthi we tick all the boxes, all the necessary stakeholders have been engaged. So this drive that we've been conducting this week, it has been very helpful. Kuningi lesikufundile nathi sing-Eswatini TV ku ema-retailer ukuthi kahle kahle bona asebenza kanjena kukhona lapho khona sivuleke emehlo khona ngoba njengoba awadi nje ukuthi le Ipiyako initiative sikhuluma ngeku importer ema-TV, sikhuluma nge-compliance, sikhuluma ngema-controls, lesitawa effecta kuma-border across the country. Likuyena sikuvile nje kusesihlele nawo ukuthi labanye bakhona bachupha khona la ekhaya. Lapho khona sibonile ukuthi the industry is big now. We've got entities or wholesalers locally in the country that bring in lama TVs. So it's important ukuthi phinde engage even the wholesalers themselves. Sibafundise ngale initiative lesitobe siyilauncha on the 1st of July njengoba sathi nje ukuthi that is our go live. We are trying to encourage compliance and lesikubonile emakhona ema-retailers that are faithful ukuthi i-TV uma ngabe iyaphuma esitolo ayiphumi engakambhadali 180 emalangeni, ayiphumi engakambhadali 50 rand emalangeni. Kulabanye bokhanza ukuthi they have a shortfall bawakhokhe lama gadgets. Loko sekwenda kuthi le playing ground ayisasiko even ayisasiko level. So khona lomnye retailer nyalo sowendela phansi because yena wendeni ukhethe ukuthi abambise Eswatini TV ukuthi i-TV license ikoleke ikhona ukuthi ikoleke kahle, we are able to collect it effectively. Hence the introduction of this initiative. Uma ngabe ema-controls siyakhona ukuthi siwaqale implement kuma-border. We now know ukuthi yonke i-TV lesayingenile into the country one way or another, that retailer or that reseller has to make sure ukuthi unayo import permit and every television set and decoder ifanele ukuthi ibhadaleke.
Yeah, ngisafuna nje ngena kulena Nomcebo ukuthi vele kuke kwavela kaningi lokho ukuthi labanye vele bebangabe compliant because makhelwane la iceleni akayibhadalisi imali ye-TV license. Ngabe nibagcizelele nikuloko bakuveta into izathu ukuthi why vele bebakwenda ukuthi makhelwane ngala mina ngiyabhadalisa ngalana makhelwane akasabhadalisi wona mina ngisabhadalisa. Nibachazele nibomcwathi vele kumele ukuthi bayibhadalise customer.
Sibachazele kakhulu lolu. I think ngiko nje kumcoka lokuthi lamavusela siwende time and time again with our retailers. Sit over challenges awo. I think nje kucucutela babukeli nje bayo Eswatini TV njengoba nje nyalo sikuye KBS ukuthi It is a responsibility yalo lonke liswati kuthi uma ngabe uyothenga iTV noma ngabe uyothenga idecoder kungumthetho weSwaziland weEswatini Television Authority Act of 1983 kuthi kufanele ukuthi kubhadaleke iTV license. Ubhadala iTV license because kunalombane lo wenda ukuthi that enables you ukuthi uthole leso sithombe ku TV yakho. Kulapanye ke banako ukuthi ke thina asayibuke ne TV, we watch online or on the go. At the end of the day, whether u choose ku absorb Eswatini TV, whether u does absorb on YouTube or you absorbing us on the traditional screen, it's important that if you have a working gadget, TV or a decoder, kumcoka ukuthi once a year uyamkhokha lo mthelo. So kucela nje emaswati ngoba sikutholile vele kuma retailers ethu ukuthi kuba khona lobugudlugudlu lobuba khona vele la editolo ukuthi neke mina ngiphethe 2000 ukuthenga na iTV sengite 180 emalangeni. Kumbe le message ayingeni kumaswati ethu lamahle ukuthi ngumthetho lo ukude iTV lephumako. So sicela lokugcugcutela vele ku emaswati ukuthi ke namhlanje noma kusasa utawusukuma uyongena esitolo uthi uliswati uyothenga yona le TV. Siyacela ukuthi umane ubambise umsakado westage, ubambise nalo le live la kangwane ngoba iTV license idlala umsebenzi lomkhulu. It's not just ukuthi uthekhoka umthelo ukuthi uyaka TV yini. Yes, uta Eswatini TV. What are we doing as Eswatini TV? We are able to create imisebenzi, to create job opportunities. Siyibonile sing Eswatini TV, and we are very proud of such successes. La faka ekhathi nje ukuthi we are able to bring premium content. La faka ekhathi bo ekhaya. We've got season 1 and season 2, and those are beautiful productions that have been enabled by what? By paying for TV licenses. So not just saying Eswatini TV, we are empowered ukuthi ke sesiyakhona ku engage independent producers. Independent producers now, they are also employers. They employ cast members. They employ script writers. We've got talented filmmakers. We've got talented sound engineers. We've got a whole booming industry yaka broadcasting Eswatini. We've got students from the local universities la Pumago each and every year. So what is that saying? We now have a pool of talent. Eswatini is in a space now whereby we are able to take more vula mabona kutse wako or khona ukuthi mabukela Eswatini TV from for your whole 24 hours ubukele in local content. We have that responsibility as Eswatini TV ukuthi ke i-channel yethu ibe na 70% local content and 30% international content. So leto timaleto leti kokwasive lo 180 emalangeni na 50 emalangeni wayo decoder. That is what we are doing. We are supporting the economy of the kingdom of Eswatini. We are empowering the broadcasting fraternity because it's huge and it needs to be supported. And it's ours. It is about time that we successfully and happily tell our own stories, and those stories being told by our own local people. We are already there. So le mali leyo masibuka isita lapho as well. So kucukutela nje go emaswati ukuthi siyacela ukuthi awabambise retailers ethu. Be uncomfortable, Lulu, if you're going to walk into a shop, uyothenga iTV, and then uphume ungakamkhokhi 180%. Take that responsibility yourself. Ngicela kushiya 180 ngibona ngasuthi okangikhumbuti retailer X or retailer B. It's very, very important.
Yeah. All right. Okay, also another important thing lengifuna sikhuluma ngayo asibambeneni sibonga umndeni it's been officially launched again. Sike sayibona TV program lebedlala la Eswatini TV program nje kuhlanganisa imindeni that has been launched. Yabuya again, one of my favorites on Eswatini TV. So yini nje lesingayikhatha the season?
The season is awesome. Siyajabula kakhulu. Ngiqale nje ngokubonga litiko la Honorable DPM lisebenza kakhulu ekuhlanganiseni imindeni kaNgwane. Isebenza kakhulu litiko lakhe la Honorable DPM ngokuthi si improve impilo dawo emaswati. Letinsaba lotibonako kulehlelo aningiyajabula nje ukuthi it's your favorite show. They are tear-jerking stories. Lokutshengisa ukuthi ema families ethu semaswati societal values and norms asalahlekile. So leli hlelo lelo liyakhona lokuthi lis realign nesibandvu ukuthi ke what are we doing as family people, because siyavuka siyemisebenzini si interact abantu but usuka kuphi usuka ekhaya so kumcwa ukuthi la ekhaya la ukukhula khona ube exposed ukuthi ke injani your environment leyo so the program is hot we've got more real life stories and ama stories lasivula emehlo ukuthi we have a responsibility as society we have a responsibility semaswati ukuthi kumcoka ukuthi akube bhedo umfana lo lahlekako akube bhedo umtali loba nemfana amkhohlwe kuthi waka nemfana amshiye kumfula omdzala umfula omdzala aswele kusomfana ngabe mina sengemkholisa ngani so titori leto ngilento lesitati bona nema messages lesitawabona kuyo I program asibambane sibe ngumndeni. We know it's going to premiere on the 1st of July, which is next week, Wednesday, at 8 p.m. on Eswatini TV. And good labo that are probably going to be on the go. Sita kona go live stream ako Eswatini YouTube channel at the same time. So it's not kona sito be si chengisa I episode it fully asibamba nensibe ngumndeni. We are proud not to sing Eswatini TV nekubambisana naye EPIS anake ngemvalele ngaphandle. It was a very collaborative effort and isibonga na Minister of Education and Honorable Minister of ICT nabo labafikile bambambisa Honorable DPM konomsebenzi longaka and nabo bakhona kupledge isupport lapho khona bangakhona kusita khona kithi sing TV nabo sama business labavelile labafaka ekhathi bo EEC bo Kia bavelile wafaka ekhathi nabo MTN labathengisile ukuthi banaso sifiso ukuthi nabo to advertise and to sponsor this program so kucela nje nacocodela the marketing fraternity ukuthi here's a beautiful product with a beautiful local story ukuthi here's something that they can actually advertise and sponsor.
I think kwendeke kahle for Nomcebe because the month of June is Children's Month and kakhulu vele bamfana bahlukubeteka in some of the episodes yabona bahlukubeteka so ite kahle le launch during Children's Month. Student vele kafishana nje student nje DPM during the launch of season 2.
DPM is still singing the same song ukuthi imendene ayibambane. Akube bede umfana noma umfula omdzala lohluphekako batali abathatha irresponsibility ukuthi uma ngabe uyathi ukuthi sonaye umfana thatha irresponsibility and as much as ama challenges siyathi ukuthi ke akhona ukuvetile nje ukuthi ke kuna a high number or a percentage of unemployment kangwane so vele akhona lawo ma challenges lawo ukuthi ukhanza ukuthi vena ubuke ekhini lakho uthi yathi angikhona kumondla lo mfana but mangabe ka awukhona kumondla lo mfana bona nawo ongumdali ngoba lo mfana uphuma kuwe wakho vele thatha le responsibility akhona ema entities lo ngawa approach alafa khathi lona office la ka DPM lo ngavela khona uNgqongqothe ukuthi athi nginenkinga la nginemfana but angisakhona kumondla ingabe ngikuphi khona ngathola khona lisido so ucicudele kakhulu vele ukuthi semaswati abubuye lobuntu nakithi ukuthi asibanake imindeni yethu asibanake abantu babethu asibanake nebamfula abadzala bubuye lobuswati kithi si understand lokuthi ke ema families amcoka and take care of each other the challenges are there but ikhona iminyango lapho khona bangafinyelela kuyo.
Alright, thank you so much Nomcebe sibonga kakhulu isikhathi sakho mbukeli Senior Communications Officer Eswatini TV Nomcebe Malinga sikhuluma nje ngebuhle lebentiwa ngomsakazo yeSwatini TV. Seselkef masinyane sitawuya siqhubeka.